Yo, YouTube, what's the word? Listen, I know it's been like 3 weeks since I uploaded a video, but we back. I'm kind of doing like a vlog. Today I got a couple house calls to do. I really don't like doing house calls, you know what I'm saying? But the price is right. Hey, we there, you know what I'm saying? We got action. But look, so I'm gonna take y'all on this little vlog. Let me show y'all what I got in my my little kit or whatever you want to say. The lighting kind of crazy right now, but as you guys can see, pretty simple setup for the day. Got the Cool Care, of course, you know what I'm saying? The neck duster, a brush, a comb, got my Andy Styliner tools, cordless wall seniors, my Speedo guide, then I got my half guard, my 1 guard, my 1.5, my 2, my 3, and my 4. That's pretty much all I should need for the day. And of course I got a couple of neck strips in there, but that's all I should need for the day. So I'm gonna take you guys on, you know, the little journey. My camera actually get ready to die, so if you're seeing like a little change in the quality, it's because I had to switch to my phone because my camera get ready to die. But yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all posted, man, and we back. So if you're new, please like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Tell a friend, tell your mama, to your grandma, to your aunties, your cousins, all that. Tell them subscribe. We about to take over. Roll to 1K. Let's go.
HBG, that's crazy.
Next day.
Okay, so as you guys seen from that previous slide, this is day 2. Yesterday did not go as planned because as I was doing my house calls yesterday, I forgot to take before and after footage. So this video right here is gonna be strictly a vlog, you know what I mean? Just like a welcome back vlog. I've been gone for like a month now, you know what I'm saying? So just to get a little introduction back into things. So what we're gonna do today, I'm gonna go by a beauty supply store and I'm gonna try to get me a pair of cheap cordless, I'm hoping, you know, I might settle for a pair of corded trimmers, and I want those to balled out with. I want to have a pair of soft trimmers. That way I can just eliminate some of the room in my station. And I think in this video as well, I'm going to show you guys my setup, what I cut with, how my station is set up and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm not going to beat y'all to death. You know, if you're in your car right now or if you're about to start driving, remember, put your seatbelt on, safety first. You know what I'm saying? But without further ado, let's get back into this vlog. Let's go.
Minutes later.
Alright, so hold on. So I just left the first stop, and I tried to bring y'all with me, but the lady that was working, she said the manager was not in yet, so she didn't know if it was okay for me to record or not. So, you know, no big deal, you know what I'm saying? I was just trying to give them some free promo, you know what I'm saying? So they had a pair of like Slimline Pro LIs, and they was like $90. So my OG subscribers, y'all already know, man, I have never been a fan of the Slimline Pros. I just can't get them to hit or do what I want them to do. And they had them in there, even though I'm using them for a soft trimmer, they had them in there for like $90. That's crazy. I'm not paying $90 for a pair of trimmers I don't even like either. You know what I'm saying? I need a pair of regular TI liners, a pair of slim lines, and they gotta be, you know, at least like $45, $50. I'm not paying no more than that for a pair of slim lines, I promise you, you know what I'm saying? But if you're new and you're watching this, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, roll to 1K, I promise you. If we don't hit 1K by the end of the year, we're definitely gonna hit that 1K by the beginning of the next year. Mark my words. We're gonna hit it by the end of this year though, for sure. You know what I'm saying? But if we don't, you know what I'm saying? Cause if something go on, I gotta slack off a little bit, you know, that's gonna reduce my chances of, you know, being productive on this channel. But we back, so hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, let's keep rolling. All right, so we just made the second stop, they didn't have nothing either. I wasn't too shocked though, you know what I'm saying, because I know it's, you know, it's just like a hit or miss when you're looking for certain things, you know what I'm saying. So what I'm really looking for is a wall retro T-cut, you know what I'm saying. So before I make this next drive, I'm about to call and see if they have them in stock, because I'm not about to drive all the way over there for no reason. So y'all actually gonna hear the phone call and everything like that, you know what I'm saying. But we're gonna see what they're talking about. And excuse the audio if it's bad. I don't have my mic on right now, but we're gonna make it shake. So.
Thank you for calling Sally Beauty. Para escuchar estas opciones en español,
why do you always gotta have
presione
automatic
cuatro.
messages? Like, let me talk to the
store
store.
hours, please press 1. For our store address, please press 2. If you would like to speak to a member of our store team, please press 3. Or hold.
3. Let's hit that 3.
Thanks for calling Sally's O'Reilly. This is Jasmine.
I was wondering if you guys had the wall retro T-cuts in stock.
The wall retro T-cut.
Yes.
I do.
Okay, how much are they?
They are $69.99.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. All right, so we got them in stock. So we about to make that drive, man. So now y'all know like the whole process of this entire vlog. I was on the verge of going to find me some soft trimmers. And for y'all that don't know what soft trimmers are a pair of trimmers that you can go in and set a ball guideline in, a ball fade, ball tape or whatever, and then not leave a hard line, so you have an easier time fading it out. You know what I'm saying? And my whole objective is, I don't really struggle with getting the ball line out with my wall magic clips, but I would like to eliminate as much space out of my station as I can, so y'all can kind of get a 2-for-1. So hit that subscribe button, because we about to make that drive right now. And like I said, roll to 1K. Man, like, yo, I don't know where y'all from, but out here in Virginia, the weather crazy. We legit had like a 70 something day twice, back to back. Then the next day, we got snow. You know what I'm saying? Like, Virginia, look, man, Virginia weather is not nothing to play with. You never know what you're gonna get. Like, if you from VA, man, look, drop that in the comment section. Yo, drop some 100 emojis in the comment section right now, because this joint crazy. Now look, the rain picking back up. You see what I'm saying, man? Come on, man. I can't make this up, man. I can't make this up, man. I cannot make this stuff up, yo. Virginia, yo, I don't know what's going on with us. But look, man, I don't know, man. We gotta pray, man, for free. So as you guys can see, we got the goods, man. We got the goods. Look, before we get into that, tag your favorite YouTuber. Tell them they don't want no smoke with main cuts on the court. I promise you. But look, quick little story. When this trimmer first came out, man, it caught my eye. It was something about it that I really liked, and I didn't know what it was, or I had no idea what it was. But you know what I'm saying? Look, let me show y'all that real quick. They come pretty close, I'm not gonna lie. But whatever it was about this trimmer, I always wanted it. So when I started looking into getting a soft trimmer, I looked at the Andy Slimline Pro with the GTX blade on it. But then I said, you know what? This has been a trimmer that has always caught my eye. And, you know, I'm going to go ahead and get it. You know what I'm saying? And we made that happen. And I'm going to let y'all hear it real quick. Definitely very powerful, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, my whole goal is to eliminate a lot of room that's inside my drawers on my station. I'm gonna show y'all what I mean. So this sitting on top of my station in the dock, that's gonna come clutch for sure. And I'm not gonna really give y'all my opinion on this trimmer. I'm not gonna give y'all my like a full unboxing or review, because you know what? This will be used for setting in ball guidelines, whether that's tapers, ball fades, whatever the case may be. That's what this is exactly for. It's a soft trimmer, you know what I'm saying? So I will not be getting the full effect that everybody else gets from this trimmer, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not gonna say y'all no hopes and dreams or no false information, you know? So let's get ready to get back to the shop, man. We can end this vlog and I can show y'all my station. Like I said, man, I just drove a good little ways to pick this up. So man, hit that subscribe button, let's go. So right here, I'm literally just balling out. I'm not doing nothing crazy, not doing no hard fading or nothing. I just wanted to show you guys this clip because man, I was very impressed of how these trimmers perform. You know what I'm saying? And this is fresh out of the box. I have not zero gapped them. I haven't made no adjustments at all. This is literally me taking them out of the box, letting them charge up, oiling them, and then putting them straight to work. And as you guys can see, man, it gets the hair pretty close. You know what I'm saying? It gets the job done. You know what I mean? I'm really pleased with this clipper right here, with this trimmer. And you know, but I will say this: I noticed when I'm coming up like that, sometimes it tended to pull the hair, so I had to turn the clipper upside down and shave the hair off that way. You know, that's something that you may run into, and you know, don't panic or don't get scared, man. Just flip that clipper upside down and let it do what it got to do. And upcoming barbers, I want you guys to pay attention to how my client hair is flowing right now. You know, this is about 2 or 3 weeks after he has had his initial cut. You know, so you see how everything is flowing together and it just look like it's in place. That's what you want to look for in your fade, not just to set in, you know, rough or hard, messy guidelines, because that's going to mess your fade up. So when your client hair starts to grow back in from the fade, everything is not going to flow or be proportioned. So that's just a tip in the gym I'm going to throw out there. Y'all be blessed, man. We out.